Opposites: abandon, keep, abashed, unabashed, abate, extend, abbreviate, expand, abbreviation, expansion, abhor, admire, abiding, fleeting, able, unable, ability, inability, abnormal, normal, abode, homelessness, abolish, retain, abominable, pleasant, abound, lack, about, exactly, above, below, abridge, enlarge, abrupt, gradual, absence, presence, absent, present, absent-minded, attentive, absolute, partial, absolutely, partially, absolutely, imperfectly, absolution, punishment, absorb, emit, abstain, pursue, abstinence, indulgence, abstract, concrete, absurd, sensible. Abundance, scarcity, abundant, scarce, abuse, praise, accede, recede, accelerate, decelerate, accept, refuse, acceptance, refusal, acceptable, unacceptable, accidental, intentional, acclamation, blame, accompany, leave, accompanied, unaccompanied, accomplish, fail, accomplished, unaccomplished, accountable, unaccountable, accord, discord, accumulate, diminish, accurate, mistaken, accuracy, inaccuracy, accuse, praise, accusation, pardon, accustomed, unaccustomed, achieve, fail, achieved, unachieved, achievement, failure, acknowledge, reject, acknowledge, unacknowledged, acquaintance, stranger, acquainted, unacquainted, acquire, lose, acquirable, unacquirable, acquired, unacquired, acquisition, deprivation, acquit, convict, acquittal, conviction, action, inaction, active, inactive, activity, inactivity, actual, false, actuality, falsehood, acute, mild, adamant, yielding, adapt, misfit, adaptable, unadaptable, adapted, unadapted, add, remove, addition, deletion, additional, deficient, addressee, sender, adequate, inadequate, adequacy, insufficiency, adequately, insufficiently, adhere, release, adherence, unadherence, adherent, dropout, adhesion, non-adhesion, adhesive, non-adhesive, audio, welcome, adjacent, distant, adjoin, detach. Adjoining, separate. Adjourn, assemble. Adjournment, assembly. Adjustable, unadjustable. Admire, condemn. Admirable, condemnable. Admission, rejection. Admissible, inadmissible. Admit, reject. Admonish, praise. Adopt, reject. Adore, hate. Adorn, deform. Adrift, stable. Adulterated, unadulterated. Advance, retreat. Advantage, disadvantage. Adventurous, timid. Adversary, friend. Adversity, prosperity. Adverse, favorable. Adversely, favorably. Advisable, inadvisable. Advocate, opponent. Affected, unaffected. Affection, enmity. Affectionate, hateful. Affiliated, unaffiliated. Affirm, deny. Affirmative, negative. Affirmation, negation. Affliction, relief. Afflict, relieve. Affluent, poor. Affluence, poverty. Afraid, unafraid. After, before. Afternoon, forenoon. Against, in favor of. Age, young. Aggravate, lessen. Aggravation, relief. Aggregate, part. Aggression, protection. Aggressive, defensive. Aggressor, defender. Agile, awkward. Agility, dullness. Agitate, pacify. Agitated, unagitated. Agony, relief. Agrarian, urban. Agree, disagree. Agreeable, disagreeable. Agreement, disagreement. Ahead, behind. Aid, hinder. Aided, unaided. Akin, different. Alarming, calming. Alert, sluggish. Alien, familiar. Alignment, non-alignment. Alight, mount. Alike, different. Alive, dead. Alleviate, aggravate. Alliance, separation. Allot, withhold. Allow, disallow. Ally, enemy. Alone, together. Aloof, near. Alpha, omega. Alter, preserve. Alteration, fixation. Alterable, unalterable. Altered, unaltered. Altitude, depth. Altogether, partly. Always, sometimes. Amalgamate, disintegrate. Amateur, expert. Amaze, bore. Ambiguous, obvious. Ambiguity, clarity. Amend, worsen. Amiable, disagreeable. Amicable, unfriendly. Amoral, moral. Ample, insufficient. Amplify, diminish. Amplitude, scantiness. Amuse, bore. Amusement, boredom. Amusing, boring. Analogous, dissimilar. Analogy, difference. Analysis, synthesis. Ancestor, descendant. Ancestry, descendants. Anchor, detach. Ancient, modern. Angel, devil. Angelic, devilish. Anger, patience. Angry, calm. Anguish, joy. Animate, inanimate. Annoy, soothe. anomalous, ordinary, anonymous, known, anonymity, publicity, answer, question, answerable, questionable, answerable, unanswerable, antagonism, friendliness, antagonist, friend, antecede, succeed, antecedent, successive, antenatal, postnatal, anterior, posterior, antidote, poison, antipathy, affection, antipathic, pathetic, sympathetic, antipathetic, sympathetic, antic, reason, antisocial, social, antonym, synonym, anxiety, ease, anxious, unmindful, any, specific, apart, near, apathy, enthusiasm, apex, base, apology, accusation, apologetic, unrepentant, apparent, uncertain, appeal, repel, appear, disappear, appearance, disappearance, appease, annoy, appeasement, annoyance, appellant, defendant, appetite, contentment, applaud, condemn, applause, blame, apply, ignore, applicable, inapplicable, appointment, dismissal, appreciate, depreciate, appreciable, scornful, appreciation, depreciation, apprehend, release, apprehension, freedom, apprehensive, relaxed, approach, retreat, approachable, unapproachable, appropriate, unfit, approval, disapproval, approve, disapprove, approximate, exact, apt, unfit, aptitude, inaptitude, argue, agree, argument, agreement, arid, moist, aristocrat, commoner, aristocratic, common, arm, disarm, armful, armless, armed, unarmed, arouse, soothe, arrange, disarrange, arrangement, disarrangement, array, disorder, arrear, credit, arrest, release, arrive, depart, arrival, departure, arrogant, humble, arrogance, humility, artful, artless, artificial, natural, artistic, inartistic, ascent, descent, ascendant, descendant, ascent, descent, ashamed, proud, ask, reply, ask you, straight, asleep, awake, assailant, defender, assail, defend, assault, defend, assaulter, defender, assent, refuse, assent, refusal, assenter, dissenter, assemble, disperse, assemblage, dispersion, assembly, dispersion, assert, deny, assertion, denial, assertion, negation, assertive, timid, asset, liability, assist, hinder, assistant, rival, associate, dissociate, association, dissociation, assume, confirm, assurance, suspicion, assure, deny, assumption, refusal, asymmetry, symmetry, attach, detach, attach, detach, attachment, detachment, attack, defend, attain, lose, attainment, failure, attainable, unattainable, attend, avoid, attendance, absence, attention, inattention, attentive, inattentive, attract, repel, attractive, unattractive, attraction, repulsion, attributive, predicative, audible, inaudible, augment, diminish, augmentation, reduction, aunt, uncle, auspicious, inauspicious, austerity, comfort, authentic, fake, authorize, ban, authorized, unauthorized, authority, submission. Autocracy, democracy, autocratic, democratic, automatic, manual, auxiliary, main, availing, unavailing, available, unavailable, avenged, unavenged, avenge, forgive, average, outstanding, averse, willing, aversion, attraction, avert, invite, avoid, meet, avoidable, unavoidable, award, punishment, aware, unaware, awake, asleep, away, towards, awe, contempt, awful, wonderful, awkward, graceful, back, front, backward, forward, bad, good, badly, well, baffle, enlighten, baggy, tight, balance, imbalance, balanced, imbalanced, bald, hairy. Baleful, good. Balmy, stormy. Ban, allow. Banish, admit. Bankrupt, solvent. Bar, permit. Bare, covered. Barren, fertile. Barrier, encouragement. Base, apex. Bashful, bold. Bashfulness, boldness. Basic, advanced. Battle, harmony. Beaming, gloomy. Bear, avoid. Bearable, unbearable. Beastly, humanely. Beauty, ugliness. Beautiful, ugly. Before, after. Beg, give. Beget, destroy. Begin, end. Beginner, veteran. Beginning, end. Behave, misbehave. Behavior, misbehavior. Behind, in front of. Behold, ignore. Being, non-existence. Belated, early. Belief, disbelief. Believe, disbelieve. Believer, doubter. Believable, unbelievable. Belittle, build up. Below, above. Bend, straighten. Beneath, over. Benefactor, evildoer. Beneficial, useless. Benefit, disadvantage. Bent, straight. Best, worst. Bestow, withdraw. Betray, safeguard. Better, worse. Between, extremes. Bewilder, clarify. Beyond, beside. Bias, equity. Biased, impartial. Bid, prohibit. Big, small. Bind, separate. Birth, death. Bitter, sweet. Bit, entire. Desire, ordinary. Black, white. Black and white, color. Blame, appreciate. Blamable, unblameable. Blameful, blameless. Blamable, honorable. Blank, filled. Blaze, dwindle. Bleach, darken. Bleak, bright. Blemish, perfection. Blend, separate. Bless, curse. Blessing, curse. Blind, sighted. Bliss, sorrow. Block, promote. Bloom, wither. Blossom, wither. Bluff, polite. blunt, sharp, blur, clear, blush, fade, boastful, humble, bodily, spiritual, bogus, genuine, bold, cowardly, boldness, cowardice, bona fide, bogus, bondage, freedom. Bookish, ignorant, boom, recession, booming, declining, boon, curse, boost, lower, border, interior, bored, enthusiastic, boring, amusing, boredom, amusement, borrow, lend, borrower, lender, boss, employee, bother, comfort, bottom, top, bounce, stay, bouncy, flat, bound, free, boundless, restricted, bounteous, scarce, bountiful, scarce, bounder, gentleman, bow, race, bow, race, bowed, straight, boy, girl, boycott, support, boyhood, manhood, boyish, elderly, brag, depreciate, brave, covered, bravery, cowardice. Brawn, weakness, break, join, brief, elaborate, briefly, at length, bright, dark, bright, stupid, brightness, dark, brighten, darken, brilliant, dull, brim, bottom, bring, remove, brisk, lazy, briskness, idleness, brittle, flexible, broad, narrow, broaden, shorten, broadness, narrowness, brother, sister, broad-minded, narrow-minded, broken, whole, brutal, humane, brutality, humanity, brutish, gentle, build, destroy, bulge, depression, bulky, tiny, bumpy, smooth, burden, lighten, burn, extinguish, busy, lazy. Buy, sell, buyer, seller, calamity, prosperity, calculate, guess, calculation, assumption, calm, violent, cancel, confirm, capable, unskilled, captivity, liberty, capture, release, care, negligence, careful, careless, carry, miscarry, carry on, give up, casual, planned, casual, formal, catastrophe, blessing, catch, release, cause, effect, caution, negligence, cautious, negligent, cease, begin, celebrate, condemn, celebrated, unnoticed, celestial, earthly, central, peripheral, centralize, decentralize, center, outskirts, certain, doubtful, certainly, doubtfully, certainty, doubt, change, remain, chaos, order, chaotic, organized, charge, discharge, charitable, mean, charming, disgusting, chartered, unchartered, cheap, costly, checked, unchecked, cheerful, sad, cheerfulness, sadness, childish, elderly, chill, warmth, chilly, hot, choice, rejection, choose, refuse, claim, disclaim, clarify, confuse, clash, agree, clean, dirty, cleanliness, filthiness, clear, confused, clever, foolish, climb, descend, close, open, clockwise, anti-clockwise, closure, opening, cloudy, sunny, clumsy, graceful. Coarse, polish, coax, force, coherence, isolation, coherent, incoherent, cohere, loosen, coincide, contrast, coincidence, prearrangement, cold, hot, collect, distribute, collectively, individually, colossal, tiny, colorful, colorless, combine, separate, combination, separation, come, go, comedy, tragedy, comfort, discomfort, comfortable, uncomfortable, comic, tragic, comfortable, tensed, command, obey, commence, end, commencement, expiry, commend, criticize, commission, omission, committed, uncommitted, common, rare, communicative, secretive, companion, enemy, company, individual, comparable, different, compare, contrast, comparison, difference, compassion, cruelty, compassionate, cruel, compel, coax, compete, reconcile, competence, competence, incompetence, competitor, colleague, complain, praise, complaint, praise, complainant, defendant, complete, incomplete, complex, easy, complexity, simplicity, complicated, simple, compliment, insult, comply, violate, compose, decompose, composition, decomposition, composed, agitated, comprehend, exclude, comprehension, exclusion, comprehensive, exclusive, compress, expand, compromise, controversy, comprising, controversial, compulsion, free will, compulsory, voluntary, conceal, reveal, concealment, disclosure, conceit, humility, conceited, humble, concede, deny, concentrate, distract, concentrated, dilute, concentration, distraction, conception, misconception, concerned, unconcerned, conclude, begin, conclusion, beginning, concise, lengthy, concord, discord, concrete, abstract, conquer, disagree, concurrence, disagreement, condemn, praise, condense, swell, conditional, unconditional, conduct, misconduct, confer, retrieve, confess, deny, confession, renouncement, confide, suspect, confidence, distrust, confident, uncertain, confidential, public, confine, release, confinement, freedom, confirm, disclaim, conflict, agree, confuse, clarify, confusion, understanding, congratulate, rebuke, connect, disconnect, connection, detachment, conquer, surrender, conquest, defeat, conscious, unconscious, consent, dissent, consequence, cause, consequential, unimportant, conservative, liberal, conserve, use, consider, neglect. Considerable, negligible. Considerate, inconsiderate. Consideration, omission. Consistent, contrary. Consistency, inconsistency. Consolation, suffering. Console, worry. Consolidate, analyze. Consonance, difference. Constant, irregular. Constantly, inconstantly. Constraint, freedom. Construct, destroy. Construction, destruction. Constructive, destructive. Consume, reserve. Consumed, unconsumed. Consumption, production. Contain, discharge. Contaminate, purify. Contemplate, forget. Contemplative, inattentive. Contemporary, succeeding. Content, dissatisfied. Contented, depressed. Contention, harmony. Continual, irregular. Continue, discontinue. Continuity, discontinuity. Continuation, discontinuation. Continuous, discontinuous. Contract, expand. Contraction, expansion. Contradict, agree. Contradictory, consistent. Contrary, similar. Contrast, similarity. Contribute, withhold. Controllable, uncontrollable. Controversy, agreement. Convenient, inconvenient. Conventional, unusual. Convert, revert. Convertible, inconvertible. Convergence, divergence. Converge, diverge. Convict, acquit. Convinced, unconvinced. Convincing, unconvincing. Conviction, doubt. Cooked, uncooked. Cool, warm. Cordial, unfriendly. Correct, incorrect. Correspond, diverge. Correlative, different. Corrupt, upright. Corrupted, uncorrupted. Costly, cheap. Countable, uncountable. Counterfeit, real. Courage, cowardice. Courage, fearfulness. Courageous, fearful. Courteous, rude. Courtesy, rudeness. Cover, uncover. Create, annihilate. Creative, destructive. Creator, destroyer. Credible, incredible. Credit, discredit. Creditor, borrower. Crime, innocence. Critical, insignificant. Criticize, overlook. Crooked, straight. Crowded, deserted. Crude, polished. Cruel, kind. Cruelty, kindness. Cry, laugh. Culmination, beginning. Culpable, innocent. Cultured, crude. Cultivate, destroy. Cultivated, uncultivated. Cultured, uncultured. Curable, incurable. Curious, indifferent. Curiosity, indifference. Current, old. Curse, blessing. Curtail, lengthen. Customary, rare. Damp, bless. Damp, dry. Danger, safety. Dangerous, safe. Dangerously, safely. Daring, cowardly. Dark, bright. Darkness, brightness. Dawn, dusk. Day, night. Dead, alive. Deadly, lively. Death, birth. Debate, agreement. Debit, credit. Debtor, creditor. Decay, growth. Deceased, living. Deceit, honesty. Deceitful, honest. Deceive, trust. decelerate, accelerate, decent, indecent, deception, honesty, deceptive, honest, decide, hesitate, decided, undecided, decision, indecision, declare, withhold, decline, prosper, decorate, mar, decrease, increase, reduction, addition, deduct, add, deep, shallow, deface, beauty, defamation, respect, defame, glorify, defamatory, honorable, defeat, surrender, defeated, won, defective, flawless, defect, perfection, defend, attack, defer, hurry, deficient, sufficient, deficit, surplus, definite, indefinite, definitely, indefinitely, deflate, inflate, defy, yield, dejected, cheerful, delete, add, deliberate, unintentional, delicate, hard, delicious, tasteless, delight, distress, delightful, unpleasant, deliver, retain, demolish, preserve, demolition, construction, demonstrate, conceal, demote, promote, demur, proceed, dense, scanty, density, rarity, deny, allow, depart, stay, departure, arrival, dependent, independent, deport, admit, deposit, withdraw, depreciate, appreciate, depress, cheer, depth, altitude, descend, ascend, descendant, ancestor, describable, indescribable, deserved, undeserved, desirable, undesirable, desire, hate, desolate, happy, despair, cheerfulness, desperate, hopeful, despise, admire, destroy, create, destructive, beneficial, destruction, construction, detailed, non-detailed, detain, promote, detect, hide, develop, decline, developed, undeveloped, development, decline, devil, angel, devoid, complete, devotion, aversion, die, live, different, same, difficult, easy, digestion, indigestion, diligent, idle, dilute, concentrated, dim, bright, diminish, increase, dingy, bright, direct, indirect, dirty, clean, disappointment, hope, disappoint, please, disaster, fortune, discipline, indiscipline, disclose, conceal, discord, accord, discourage, encourage, discrimination, indiscrimination, discriminative, discriminate, indiscriminate, disgrace, honor, disgrace, glory, disgust, liking, dismiss, employ, dispensable, indispensable, disperse, assemble, disposed, indisposed, displace, place, dispute, agreement, dissociate, associate, dissolve, unite, distant, near, distance, nearness, distinct, indistinct, distinguishable, indistinguishable, distinguished, common, distract, concentrate, distracted, attentive, distraction, concentration, distress, comfort, distribute, gather, distrust, faith, disturb, soothe, disturbance, calmness, diverge, converge, divergent, convergent, divergence, convergence, diversity, unity, divert, focus, divide, multiply, divided, undivided, divisible, indivisible, divine, human, do, undo, doctor, patient, domestic, wild, dominant, recessive, dominate, submit, domination, subjection, dormant, awake, doubt, trust, doubtful, doubtless, down, up. Drain, fill, drawback, advantage, dream, reality, dreary, cheerful, drench, dry, drowsy, alert, due, undue, dull, smart, dullness, keenness, duplicate, original, durable, perishable, dusk, dawn, dusky, clear, dwarf, giant, dying, thriving, eager, reluctant, early, late, earlier, later, earliest, latest, earn, spend, earthly, unearthly, easiness, uneasiness, easily, uneasily, east, west, easy, uneasy, ebb, increase, economical, liberal, economy, extravagance, edge, interior, edible, inedible. Education, illiteracy, effect, cause, effective, ineffective, efficient, inefficient, eject, include, elaborate, simple, elastic, rigid, elasticity, rigidity, elderly, young, elder, younger, elevate, depress, eligible, ineligible, elongate, reduce, elude, include, embark, disembark, emigrant, immigrant, eminent, unimportant, emission, admission, emotional, calm, employ, reject, employee, employer, employment, unemployment, empty, full, enclose, open, encourage, discourage, encouragement, discouragement, end, beginning, endanger, protect, endless, limited, endurance, impatience, enemy, friend, energetic, lethargic, engage, disengage, enhance, reduce, enjoy, suffer, enjoyment, suffering, enlarge, shrink, enmity, friendship, enormous, tiny, enough, insufficient, enrage, soothe, enthrone, dethrone, entrance, exit, enter, exit, equal, unequal, equality, inequality, erase, include, erect, demolish, error, correctness, escape, catch, escapable, inescapable, essential, inessential, establish, abolish, eternal, temporal, ethical, immoral, evaporate, condense, even, uneven, evening, morning, evenness, unevenness, ever, never. Expel, admit, expensive, cheap, expert, unskilled, expire, live, expire, live, explain, baffle, explicit, implicit, expose, conceal, expulsion, admission, extend, reduce, extensive, confined, exterior, interior, external, internal, extinguishable, inextinguishable, extreme, modest, extrovert, introvert, fabulous, ordinary, fact, fiction, fading, unfading, fail, achieve, failure, success, faint, clear, faith, doubt, faithful, unfaithful, fake, authentic, fall, rise, false, true, falsehood, truth, fame, disrepute, familiar, unfamiliar, famine, plenty, famous, notorious, fanciful, realistic, fantasy, reality, far, near, farewell, welcome, farther, near, fashionable, unfashionable, fasting, gluttony, fasten, loosen, fat, thin, fatal, non-fatal, fatigue, energy, fault, perfection, favorable, unfavorable, fear, boldness, fearful, fearless, feast, fast, feeble, strong, feminine, masculine, ferocious, mild, fertile, barren, few, many, fewer, more, fiction, truth, fierce, calm, fill, exhaust, filth, cleanliness, final, initial, fine, course, finish, start. Finite, infinite, first, last, fit, unfit, fix, unfix, fleshy, skinny, flexible, rigid, flourish, perish, fly, descend, foe, friend, follow, flee, follower, leader, fool, genius, foolish, wise, for, against, forbid, permit, foreign, native, foreseen, unforeseen, forever, temporarily, forget, remember, forgettable, unforgettable, forgiveness, punishment, forego, retain, formality, informality, formally, informally, former, latter, fortunate, unlucky, fortune, misfortune, forward, backward, fraction, whole, fragile, sturdy, frail, sturdy, fragrant, stinking, fragrance, stink, fraud, sincerity, fraudulent, reliable, freedom, slavery, frequent, uncommon, fresh, stale, friend, stranger, friendship, enmity, friendly, unfriendly, fright, calmness, frightened, soothen, front, back, fruitful, barren, fulfilled, unfulfilled, full, empty, fullness, scantiness, furious, calm, furl, unfurl, fury, calmness, gain, loss, gather, scatter, general, particular, generally, particularly, generalize, specialize, generous, selfish, generosity, selfishness, genius, genesis, conclusion, genius, moron, gentle, rough, gentleness, wickedness, genuine, fake, get, give, giant, dwarf, gigantic, tiny, gingerly, roughly, give, take, glad, depressed, gladness, sorrow, gloomy, cheerful, glory, contempt, glorious, disgraceful, glorify, abuse, glossy, dull, gluttony, fasting, go, come, good, bad, goodness, badness, goodwill, ill will, gorgeous, homely, govern, submit, graceful, ungraceful, gracious, impolite, gradual, sudden, grand, inferior, grant, deny, grateful, ungrateful, gratitude, ungratefulness, grave, cheery, great, inferior, greed, generosity, greeting, farewell, grief, joy, grieve, rejoice, grievous, comforting, grim, gracious, grip, release, gross, net, group, individual, grow, decay, guarded, unguarded, guess, calculate, guest, host, guide, follow, guilt, innocence, habitual, unusual, half, full, halt, begin, handle, mishandle, handsome, ugly, haphazard, plant, happiness, unhappiness, happy, sad, happily, unhappily, hard, soft, harden, soften, harden, soften, hardness, softness, harmful, harmless, harmony, disharmony, harmonious, quarrelsome, harsh, gentle, harvest, sow, haste, delay, hasten, delay, hastily, slowly, hate, love, hateful, lovable, hatred, love, have, want, haves, have-nots, hazard, safety, head, tail, health, disease, healthy, unhealthy, heap, diminish, heard, unheard, hearing, deaf, hearten, dishearten, heat, coolness, heaven, hell, heavenly, earthly, heaviness, lightness, heed, ignore, height, depth, help, helplessness, helpful, helpless, herbivore, carnivore, here, there, hero, villain, heroic, cowardly, heroism, cowardice, hesitate, proceed, hide, reveal, hidden, revealed, high, low, higher, lower, hill, plain, hinder, promote, hindrance, aid, hire, purchase, hit, miss, hoard, scatter, hoist, lower, hollow, solid, holy, unholy, honest, dishonest, honor, dishonor, honorable, dishonorable, hopeful, hopeless, horizontal, vertical, horrible, pleasing, horror, boldness, hospitable, inhospitable, hospitality, inhospitality, host, guest, hostile, friendly, hostility, friendliness, huge, small, human, inhuman, human, divine, humbly, proudly, humiliate, honor, humorous, sober, hurt, heal, hush, noise, hypothesis, actual, ideal, faulty, identical, different, idiot, genius, idiotic, intelligent, idle, active, ignoble, noble, ignorance, wisdom, ignorant, literate, ignore, notice, ill, healthy, illegal, legal, illness, health, illusion, reality, imaginable, unimaginable, imaginary, real, imagination, reality, imitation, originality, immature, mature, immediate, distant, immediately, later, immerse, uplift, immigrant, emigrant, imminent, distant. Immodest, modest, immoral, moral, immortal, mortal, immune, infected, impartial, partial, impatient, patient, imperfect, perfect, impolite, polite, import, export, important, unimportant, impossible, possible, impostor, guide, impressed, unimpressed, improvement, deterioration, imprudent, wise, impure, pure, impurity, purity, inability, ability, inaccurate, accurate, inactive, active, inanimate, animate, inattentive, attentive, incapable, capable, incentive, discouragement, inception, end, incessant, interrupted, incidental, planned, include, exclude, inclusive, exclusive, including, excluding, income, expense, incorrect, correct, increase, decrease, incredible, believable, indefinite, definite, independent, dependent, indifferent, caring, indirect, direct, indoor, outdoor, infamous, famous, infect, disinfect, infinite, finite, inflate, deflate, inflow, outflow, informed, uninformed, information, concealment, inhabit, abandon, inhale, exhale, inherit, disinherit, inhibit, encourage, inhuman, human, inhume, exhume, injustice, justice, inner, outer, innocence, guilt, innocent, guilty, input, output, inquiry, answer, inscribe, spoken, insertion, extraction, inside, outside, insolent, polite, insolence, politeness, insolvent, solvent, inspect, overlook, inspired, uninspired, instantaneously, gradually, instantly, later, insufficient, sufficient, insult, compliment, integrate, disintegrate, intelligent, foolish, intensify, lessen, intentional, accidental, intentionally, unintentionally, interest, disinterest, interesting, boring, internal, external, interpret, misinterpret, interrupt, continue, interrupted, uninterrupted, intervene, overlook, introduction, conclusion, introvert, extrovert, intrude, abandon, invade, vacate, invalidate, validate, invaluable, worthless, invasion, surrender, invest, withdraw, invisible, visible, inward, outward, irrational, rational, irregular, regular, irrelevant, relevant, irresponsible, responsible, irritate, cheer, irritable, cheerful, isolate, associate, isolation, association, job, joblessness, join, separate, joint, separate, jolly, gloomy, jovial, gloomy, joy, sorrow, joyous, sorrowful, joyful, sorrowful, judge, misjudge, judicious, imprudent, junior, senior, just, dishonest, justly, unjustly, justice, injustice, justifiable, unjustifiable, juvenile, senile, keep, abandon, kill, save, kind, cruel, kindness, cruelty, kindly, unkindly, kindred, stranger, kindle, extinguish, king, subject, kingly, lowly, not, unnot, no, doubt, known, unknown, knowingly, unknowingly, knowledge, ignorance, labor, leisure, laborious, easy, lack, plenty, lacking, enough, lad, lass, lament, rejoice, lamentation, celebration, land, take off, landlord, tenant, languish, flourish, large, small, last, first, lasting, temporary, late, early, later, earlier, latest, oldest, later, earlier, latest, oldest, latter, former, laud, belittle, laugh, cry, laughter, lamentation, launch, stop, lavish, economize, law, lawlessness, lawful, illicit, lax, rigid, lazy, active, lead, follow, leader, follower, leafy, leafless, leaky, leakless, lean, fat, learned, illiterate, learning, ignorance, least, most, leave, arrive, left, right, left, arrived, legal, illegal, legend, history, legible, illegible, legitimate, false, leisure, labor, leisurely, hurried, lend, borrow, lending, borrowing, lengthen, shorten, lengthy, short, lenience, severity, lenient, severe, less, more, lessen, increase, lethargic, energetic, level, uneven, liability, asset, liberal, restricted, liberate, confine, liberation, enslavement, liberation, bondage, liberty, slavery, lie, truth, life, death, lift, lower, light, heavy, light, darkness, like, hate, likely, unlikely, likeness, unlikeness, liking, aversion, limit, limitless, limited, unlimited, link, detached, listen, ignore, listener, orator, literacy, illiteracy, little, huge, live, die, lively, dull, living, dead, load, unload, loaner, borrower, loath, admire, loathsome, delightful, locate, dislocate, lock, unlock, lofty, humble, logical, unreasonable, lone or lonely, accompanied, long, short, longing, dislike, loose, tight, loosen, tighten, lose, win, loss, gain, lost, found, loud, silent, love, hate, loveliness, ugliness, lovely, ugly, low, high, lower, higher, lowly, royal, loyal, disloyal, loyalty, disloyalty, lucky, unlucky, luxury, simplicity, luxurious, simple, mad, sane, madness, sanity, magnify, diminish, major, minor. Male, female, mammoth, small, man, woman, manage, mismanage, mandatory, optional, many, few, married, unmarried, masculine, feminine, mask, unmasked, master, servant, match, unmatched, material, immaterial, maternal, fatherly, maximum, minimum, mean, generous, meaningful, meaningless, measurable, immeasurable, meek, brutish, meet, part, melt, harden, memorable, forgettable, memory, forgetfulness, mend, destroy, mental, physical, mercy, cruelty, merciful, merciless, merge, separate, merry, gloomy, messy, orderly, microscopic, huge, middle, outskirts, might, weakness, mighty, weak, migrant, immigrant, mild, severe, mindful, unmindful, mingle, separate, minimum, maximum, miniature, outsize, minimize, maximize, minor, major, minus, plus, minute, huge, mischievous, well-behaved, well-behaved, miser, spendthrift, misfortune, fortune, misled, led, mistake, correct, mistakable, unmistakable, mistaken, true, misuse, use, mix, separate, mob, individual, mobile, stationary, mobility, immobility, moderate, excessive, moderation, excess, modern, primitive, modest, showy, modesty, vanity, modified, unmodified, modify, retain, moist, dry, moisture, dryness, momentary, prolonged, momentous, unimportant, monotony, variety, monstrous, miniature, moral, immoral, morbid, healthy, more, less, morsel, whole, mortal, deathless, most, least, mother, father, motion, rest, motivated, unmotivated, mourn, rejoice, mournful, cheerful, movable, immovable, move, halt, much, little, multitude, few, multiply, decrease, mumble, ill, mundane, spiritual, muster, scatter, mutable, immutable, mute, noisy, mutual, unshared, mystery, solution, myth, fact, mythical, real, name, misname, narrow, broad, narrow-minded, broad-minded, native, foreigner, natural, artificial, near, far, nearby, far off, neat, untidy, neatness, dirt, necessary, unnecessary, necessarily, unnecessarily, necessity, option, needed, optional, negative, positive, negligent, careful, negligible, considerable, never, ever, new, old, night, day, noble, ignoble, noise, silence, noisy, silent, nonsense, sense, normal, abnormal, normalcy, eccentricity, north, south, notable, common, noted, unknown, notice, ignore, nourishment, starvation, novel, old, now, then, numbered, unnumbered, numerous, few, obedient, disobedient, obese, slender, obey, disobey, objection, acceptance, objective, biased, obligatory, voluntary, oblivious, attentive, oblivion, memory, observe, overlook, obstruct, admit, obtain, forego, obvious, vague, occasionally, often, occupied, unoccupied, ocean, land, offend, defend, offensive, defensive, offer, deny, offering, refusal, official, unofficial, old, young, omega, alpha, omission, inclusion, omit, include, one, many, onset, final, onward, backward, opacity, transparency, open, close, opening, closure, openly, secretly, operative, inoperative, opponent, friend, opportunity, hindrance, opposite, meaning, opposition, amity, oppress, help, oppressive, helpful, optimism, pessimism, optimist, pessimist, option, compulsion, optional, compulsory, oral, written, order, disorder, orderly, disorderly, ordinary, extraordinary, organic, inorganic, oriented, disoriented, origin, end, original, duplicate, orthodox, unorthodox, out, in, outcome, cause, outdated, fresh, outer, inner, outgoing, incoming, outrageous, gentle, outsider, insider, outspoken, polite, outstanding, ordinary, outward, inward, over, under, overcome, surrender, overdue, beforehand, overflowing, scarce, overload, lighten, overlook, notice, overpower, surrender, oversight, attention, own, disown, paid, unpaid, pain, happiness, painful, painless, pal, rival, palatable, unpalatable, paltry, worthy, paradise, hell, parched, moist, pardon, punish, pardonable, unpardonable, parent, child, part, join, partiality, impartiality, participation, non-participation, particular, general, particularly, generally, partition, unification, partly, wholly, pass, fail, pastime, labor, paternal, maternal, pathetic, apathetic, patience, impatience, patient, doctor, patriotic, unpatriotic, pass, continue, pay, receive, peace, war, peaceful, aggressive, peculiar, common, penalty, reward, pensive, thoughtless, pursue, ignore, perception, misconception, perceptive, unaware, perfect, imperfect, perfection, imperfection, perhaps, surely, perilous, protected, perishable, imperishable, permanent, temporary, permeable, impermeable, permissible, inadmissible. Permission, prohibition, permit, prohibit, perseverance, instability, persist, stop, personal, impersonal, persuade, dissuade, pessimistic, optimistic, pessimist, optimist, petty, important, peace, whole, pious, evil, pitiable, cruel, place, displace, placid, excited, plant, uproot, play, work, plead, command, plead, deny, pleasant, unpleasant, please, displease, pleasing, displeasing, pleasure, pain, plenty, scarcity, plump, slim, plus, minus, poetry, prose, pointed, unpointed, poison, antidote, polished, unpolished, polite, rude, pollute, purify, polluted, unpolluted, pollution, purification, poor, rich, popular, unpopular, populous, desolate, portion, whole, positive, negative, possess, abandon, possession, poverty, possible, impossible, poverty, riches, power, weakness, powerful, powerless, practical, impractical, praise, blame, preamble, conclusion, precarious, secure, precede, succeed, precedence, subsequence, preceding, succeeding, precise, inaccurate, precision, inaccuracy, predecessor, successor, predictable, unpredictable, predominant, subordinate, preface, conclusion, prefix, suffix, prepared, unprepared, present, absent, presence, absence, preserve, abolish, prevail, lose, prevalent, scarce, prevent, allow, previous, later, pride, humility, priest, layman, primitive, modern, principal, subordinate, prior, succeeding, privacy, publicity, privileged, unprivileged, problem, solution, proceed, recede, proclaimed, unproclaimed, procure, lose, produce, consume, producer, consumer, production, consumption, productive, barren, productivity, unproductivity, profession, pastime, professional, amateur, profit, loss, profitable, unprofitable, progress, regress, progressive, regressive, progression, regression, progression, interruption, prohibit, allow, prolong, shorten, prominent, ordinary, promote, demote, promotion, demotion, promptly, later, prone, unlikely, propel, stay, proper, improper, properly, improperly, proportion, imbalance, proportionate, disproportionate, prosper, vain, prosperous, adverse, protect, attack, protest, approval, prototype, duplicate, proud, humble, provide, strip, provoke, pacify, pro, timid, prowess, cowardice, proximate, distant, proximity, remoteness, prudence, imprudence, prudent, imprudent, public, private, publish, conceal, published, unpublished, pull, push, punctual, late, punish, pardon, pupil, teacher, purchase, sell, pure, impure, purify, pollute, pursue, evade, push, pull, puzzle, solution, qualify, disqualify, quality, mediocrity, quantity, shortage, quarrel, friendliness, quarrelsome, friendly, quench, ignite, query, answer, question, answer, quick, slow, quickly, slowly, quicken, delay, quickness, slowness, quietness, noise, which, remain, quiet, partly, quiz, answer, radiant, dim, radiance, darkness, rage, peace, raise, lower, rancid, pure. Rapid, slow, rapport, conflict, rare, common, rarely, commonly, rash, careful, rational, irrational, ravage, conserve, ravel, unravel, raw, ripe, race, build, reach, start, reachable, unreachable, readable, illegible, readiness, unwillingness, real, imaginary, realistic, unrealistic, realized, unrealized, really, doubtfully, reap, sow, reasonable, unreasonable, reasoning, intuition, rebellion, loyalty, rebukable, admirable, rebuked, unrebuked, receive, give, receiver, lender, received, unreceived, recipient, lender, recognize, disown, recollect, recollect, forget, recommend, disapprove, recorded, unrecorded, recovery, loss, recreation, boredom, rectify, falsify, rectified, unrectified, recuperate, weaken, redeemable, irredeemable. Reduce, raise. Reducible, irreducible. Reduction, increase. Refine, pollute. Refinement, vulgarity. Reform, corrupt. Refrain, continue. Refuse, accept. Refusal, acceptance. Refute, accept. Regain, lose. Regard, disregard. Regress, progress. Regression, progression. Regression, progression. Regretted, unregretted. Regular, rare. Regularly, irregularly. Reject, accept. Rejection, acceptance. Rejoice, lament. Relation, difference. Related, unrelated. Relative, stranger. Relative, absolute. Relax, tighten. Release, confine. Relevance, irrelevance. Reliable, unreliable. Reliance, doubt. Relief, discomfort. Relieved, unrelieved. Religious, irreligious. Replace, displace. Replaceable, irreplaceable. Replica, original. Replied, unreplied. Reply, question. Report, conceal. Represented, unrepresented. Republic, monarchy. Repute, disrepute. Resemblance, difference. Reserved, unreserved. Resist, yield. Respectful, disrespectful. Respectable, indecent. Respective, irrespective. Respond, ignore. Rest, work. Restless, restful. Restrict, free. Restricted, unrestricted. Result, cause. Retail, wholesale. Retailer, wholesaler. Retain, revert. Retaliate, forgive. Retaliation, forgiveness. Retard, advance. Retarded, advanced. Retention, release. Retire, remain. Retreat, advance. Return, retain. Reveal, hide. Revengeful, forgiving. Reverence, dishonor. Reverse, forward. Reversible, irreversible. Reversion, conversion. Revert, retain. Revive, exhaust. Reward, penalty. Rewarded, unrewarded. Rich, poor. Riddle, solution. Right, wrong. Righteous, sinful. Rigid, flexible. Rigidity, flexibility. Rim, center. Ripe, raw. Rip, join. Rise, fall. Risk, safety. Risky, safe. Rival, comrade. Rivalry, alliance. Roam, settle. Robust, delicate. Roll, unroll. Rogue, gentleman. Rotten, fresh. Rough, smooth. Rude, polite. Ruin, preserve. Rule, submit. Sacred, unsacred. Sad, happy. Safe, dangerous. Safety, danger. Sack, race. Saint, sinner. Saluted, unsaluted. Same, different. Sanctify, unsanctify. Sanction, disallow. Sanctioned, unsanctioned. Sane, insane. Sane, mad. Satiable, greedy. Satiate, starve. Satisfy, dissatisfy. Satisfied, dissatisfied. Satisfaction, dissatisfaction. Satisfactory, unsatisfactory. Save, waste. Scant, plentiful. Scarce, numerous. Scatter, gather. Scholar, idiot. scold, compliment, scotch, extinguish, scorn, respect, screw, unscrew, seal, unseal, sealed, unsealed, searched, unsearched, secluded, surrounded, seclusion, union, secondary, primary, secrecy, publicity, secret, public, secure, insecure, security, insecurity, seek, find, seen, unseen, segment, entirely, seize, release, seldom, often, select, reject, selfish, charitable. Sell, buy, send, receive, senior, junior, sense, nonsense, sensible, insensible, sensitive, insensitive, separate, join, separation, association, serious, trivial, servant, master, settled, unsettled, several, few, severe, merciful, shabby, worthy, shade, light, shadow, sunshine, shallow, deep, shameful, honorable, sharp, blunt, shift, settle, shiny, lusterless, short, long, shortage, surplus, shortcoming, fullness, shorten, lengthen, shortening, extension, shout, whisper, show, hide, shrink, swell, shut, open. Sick, healthy, sickness, health, significant, insignificant, silence, noise, silent, noisy, silly, serious, similar, dissimilar, similarity, difference, simple, difficult, sin, purity, sincere, insincere, sincerity, deceit, sinful, pure, singular, plural, sink, arise, skill, inability, skip, include, slander, praise, slight, major, sloth, alertness, slothful, alert, slow, rapid, sluggish, quick, sly, frank, small, big, smart, inactive, smash, repair, smile, frown, smooth, rough, soar, descend. Social, antisocial, soft, hard, softness, hardness, sold, unsold, solitary, surrounded, soluble, insoluble, solution, problem, solvable, insolvable, sometime, always, soon, later, sophisticated, unsophisticated, sorrow, happiness, sorrowful, joyful, sort, mix, sour, sweet, sow, reap, spacious, congested, spectator, participant, speedy, slow, spend, save, split, join, spoil, mend, spoilt, unspoilt, spoken, written, stable, unstable, stability, instability, stained, unstained, stale, fresh, stand, sit, standard, mean. Start, finish, star, satiate, state, retract, static, dynamic, stay, leave, steady, unsteady, steadily, unsteadily, steep, level, stern, lenient, stick, separate, stiff, yielding, still, moving, stingy, generous, stop, begin, stout, lean, straight, crooked, strange, familiar, strengthen, weaken, strength, weakness, stress, ease, stretch, shrink, stretched, unstretched, strict, lenient, strong, weak, stronger, weaker, stubborn, submissive, stupid, clever, sturdy, frail, subject, object, subjective, objective. Subjective, objective. Submissive, rebellious. Subordinate, main. Subsequent, previous. Substance, immaterial. Substantial, unreal. Succeed, fail. Success, failure. Successful, unsuccessful. Successor, predecessor. Sudden, gradual. Suddenly, gradually. Suffer, enjoy. Sufficient, insufficient. Suffix, prefix. Suitable, unsuitable. Summarize, expand. Summer, winter. Sunny, cloudy. Sunrise, sunset. Superior, inferior. Superiority, inferiority. Supernatural, human. Supply, demand. Supplier, consumer. Support, oppose. Suppress, revive. Supreme, subsidiary. Surplus, deficit. Surprising, expected. Sure, unsure. Sure, doubtful. Surge, ebb. Surplus, deficit. Surrender, conquer. Survive, succumb. Suspect, believe. Suspend, proceed. Sustain, resist. Sweet, bitter. Swell, diminish. Swift, slow. Swindle, honesty. Symmetry, asymmetry. Sympathy, antipathy. Sympathetic, cruel. Synonym, antonym. Synthesis, analysis. Systematic, unsystematic. Tail, head. Taint, pure. Take, give. Talented, unskilled. Talkative, reserved. Talker, listener. Tall, short. Tame, wild. Tamed, untamed. Tasty, tasteless. Thought, untaught. Teach, learn. Teaching, learning. Teacher, pupil. Tearful, joyous. Tease, appease. Tempest, calmness. Temporary, permanent. Temptation, repulsion. Tender, hard. Terrestrial, celestial. Terror, peace. Tested, untested. That, this. Thaw, freeze. Then, now. Theory, practice. These, those. Thick, thin. Thicker, thinner. Thickness, thinness. Think, forget. Thought, thoughtlessness. Thoughtful, thoughtless. Thrifty, spendthrift. Thrive, fade, tidy, dirty, tight, loose, tighten, loosen, timely, unseasonable, timid, daring, tiny, huge, tired, fresh, tiresome, interesting, together, alone, told, untold, tolerate, intolerate, tolerant, intolerant, top, bottom, torment, relief, torrid, frigid, torture, relief, total, partial, touch, untouched, touchable, untouchable, tough, easy, town, village, traceable, untraceable, tragedy, comedy, tragic, comic, trail, flee, trained, untrained, tranquil, agitated, tranquility, agitation, transfer, fix, transformation, regression, transparency, opaqueness, treacherous, faithful, trespass, vacate, triumph, defeat, trivial, important, troublesome, gratifying, true, false, trust, distrust, truth, falsehood, truthful, deceitful, deceitful, tumult, peace, turbulent, calm, turned, unturned, tutor, pupil, twist, straighten, ugly, beautiful, ugliness, beauty, ultimate, initial, unable, able, unaccountable, accountable, unadulterated, adulterated, unaffected, affected, unanimous, different, unanimously, differently, unanswerable, answerable, unapproachable, approachable, unattached, attached, unattended, attended, unattractive, attractive, unavailing, availing, unavoidable, avoidable, unaware, aware, unbearable, bearable, unbiased, partial, unbeaten, beaten, unbind, bind, unborn, born, unbroken, broken, uncad, cad, unceasing, ceasing, uncertain, certain, uncivilized, civilized, unclaimed, claimed, unclean, clean, uncomfortable, comfortable, uncommon, common, unconscious, conscious, unconventional, conventional, unconvincing, convincing, undated, dated, undecided, decided, undeclared, declared, undefended, defended, under, above, undergo, overcome, understand, misunderstand, undeserved, deserved, undesigned, designed, undesirable, desirable, undeveloped, developed, undo, do, undue, due, uneasy, easy, uneducated, educated, unemployed, employed, unequal, equal, uneven, even, unexpected, expected, unfair, fair, unfit, fit, unforgettable, forgettable, unfurnished, furnished, unhappy, happy, unhealthy, healthy, unheard, heard, unification, separation, uniform, different, unify, separate, union, separation, unique, common, unite, divide, unity, diversity, universal, regional, unkind, kind, unknown, known, unlike, like, unload, load, unmanned, manned, unnatural, natural, unnecessary, necessary, unnoticed, noticed, unnumbered, numbered, unofficial, official, unpleasant, pleasant, unrestricted, restricted, unruly, orderly. unseen, seen, unskilled, skilled, untidy, tidy, untimely, timely, unused, used, unusual, usual, unwanted, wanted, unwilling, willing, unyielding, yielding, up, down, upper, lower, upright, dishonest, upset, relieve, upstairs, downstairs, up to date, old, urbane, uncultured, urge, dissuade, useful, uselessness, usual, rare, utility, inutility, utterable, unutterable, vacant, occupied, vacate, stay, vague, clear, valid, invalid, validate, invalidate, valley, hill, valuable, cheap, vanish, appear, variant, identical. Variety, uniformity, various, similar, vastness, scantiness, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, veil, unveil, venerate, humiliate, venom, antidote, verbal, written, vertex, base, vertical, horizontal, versatile, unchangeable, verse, prose, vertebrate, invertebrate, vice, virtue, vicious, virtuous, vicinity, distance, victor, loser, victory, defeat, victorious, defeated, vigilant, inattentive, vigorous, dull, vile, honorable, village, city, villain, hero, villainous, heroic, violate, comply, violence, non-violence, virtuous, immoral, visible, invisible, visibility, invisibility, vision, blindness, vital, unimportant, vivid, vague, occasion, pastime, voice, silence, void, full, voluntary, compulsory, vulgar, refined, vulnerable, invulnerable, wait, leave, wake, sleep, wander, stay, war, peace, warm, cool, warmth, coolness, want, unwant, wash, stain, waste, save, weak, strong, weaken, strengthen, wealth, poverty, wealthy, beggarly, weary, rested, weep, laugh, weight, lightness, weighty, weightless, welcome, goodbye, went, came, well, unwell, wet, dry, white, black, whiten, blacken, whole, part, wholly, partially, wide, narrow, wild, domestic, willing, unwilling, win, lose, wind, unwind, wind, unwind, winding, straight, windward, leeward, winner, loser, winter, summer, wisdom, foolishness, wise, foolish, wish, hate, with, without, witty, foolish, worse, better, worst, best, worthy, unworthy, wound, heal, wrap, unwrap, wrath, blessing, wrong, right, yes, no, silence, yonder, nearer, young, old, zealous, lazy.